Welcome, you are listening to Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. India's COVID-19 tally on Friday surged past 90 lakh mark after the country clocked a spike of 45,882 new cases in the past 24 hours, the Union Health Ministry said. Country's total novel coronavirus case count has now reached 90 lakh 4,366, the government data added. Fatalities due to the pandemic have now reached 1,32,162 after 584 more lives were claimed by the highly contagious virus since Thursday. After long, the active cases that were witnessing a constant dip every day on Friday witnessed a slight increase by 491 and currently stands at 4,43,794. Talking of the recoveries, 44,807 people were discharged since Thursday, taking the total COVID survivors across the country to 84,28,410 so far. In percentage, active cases are at 4.93%, discharged 93.60%, and the deaths due to the pandemic are 1.47% of the total case count of the country till date. In the national capital, which is battling out the third wave of the pandemic and witnessing sharp surge in cases, the government has increased the fine on not wearing face masks in public places to Rs 2,000 as people were taking the important preventive measures lightly. The centre and the state are coordinating for COVID control across the city and are to add up more than 1,300 ICU beds shortly. The Mumbai Municipal Corporation on Friday announced that schools in the city will remain closed till December 31, a change from the early decision to reopen them from November 23, as the metropolis witnesses an upward trend in COVID-19 cases. However, schools in other cities of Maharashtra can reopen as per schedule, taking into account local conditions and the prevailing pandemic situation, an official said. Schools in Maharashtra, which are shut since March due to the coronavirus outbreak, were set for to reopen for classes 9 to 12 from November 23 post-Diwali holidays. COVID-19 cases are on the rise in the city. Some schools were used as testing and quarantine facilities amid the pandemic. To prevent further spread of the infection, we have decided to keep schools closed till December 31, Mumbai Mayor Kishori Parnekar said. After recording 409 new coronavirus cases on November 16, the lowest daily count since April, the city registered 5,41,871 and 924 fresh infections on November 17, 18 and 19 respectively. Meanwhile, schools in other cities of the state can reopen as per schedule, the official said. Schools in other parts of the state can be reopened from November 23 if local conditions are favorable, said the senior official from the School Education Department. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday reviewed the preparedness of delivery, distribution and administration of vaccine for novel coronavirus. Mr. Modi appreciated the efforts of innovators, scientists, academics and pharma companies in their efforts to develop vaccines and directed that every effort should be made to facilitate the research, development and manufacturing of the vaccine. 5 vaccines are in advanced stages of development in India, out of which 4 are in phase 2, 3 and 1 is in phase 1 second. Countries such as Bangladesh, Myanmar, Qatar, Bhutan, Switzerland, Bahrain, Australia and South Korea have shown keen interest in partnering for vaccine developments of Indian vaccines and use thereof, the Prime Minister's office said in a statement here. In an effort to administer the vaccine at the first available opportunity, database of healthcare and frontline workers, augmentation of cold chains and procurement of syringes and needles are in advanced stages of preparedness. The vaccination supply chain is being enhanced and non-vaccine supplies are being escalated. Medical and nursing students and faculty will be involved in training and implementation of the vaccination program. Every step is being steadily put in place to ensure that vaccines reach every location and person according to the prioritization principles. The Prime Minister has directed to work in collaboration with all reputed national and international institutions and regulators to ensure the rigorous and highest global standards in Indian research and manufacturing. An ordinance to ban online gaming involving betting was promulgated by the Tamil Nadu government on Friday in the backdrop of suicides by gamers who allegedly lost money. The ordinance was promulgated by Governor Banwari Lal Purohit based on a proposal from the state government. It provides for provisions including banning the person who are wagering or betting in cyberspace using computers or any communication devices or resource, a Raj Bhavan release here said. Delhi's air quality was recorded in the poor category on Friday, while central government agencies said it is likely to improve marginally due to the favorable wind speed. The city's 24 hours average air quality index was 296. It was 283 on Thursday, 211 on Wednesday, and 171 on Tuesday. An AQI between 0 and 50 is considered good, 51 and 100 satisfactory, 101 and 200 moderate, 201 and 300 poor, 301 and 400 very poor, and 401 and 500 severe. The central government's air quality early warning system for Delhi said Delhi NCR air quality is likely to remain in the poor to moderate category on Saturday. The predominant surface wind direction is likely to be west northwesterly and the maximum wind speed 15 km per hour on Saturday, it said. Around 600 farm fire counts were observed over Punjab, Haryana and adjoining Pakistan on Thursday, it said. According to the Ministry of Earth Sciences Air Quality Monitor, SAFAR, stubble burning accounted for 15% of Delhi's PM 2.5 pollution on Friday. It was 20% on Thursday, 8% on Wednesday, and 3% on Tuesday. SAFAR said energetic surface winds are likely to influence AQI positively in the next 2 days. That is all for today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.